Hello everyone, you are again with Dr. Khalid Arshad, and we were discussing about digital marketing. We have already finished unit number 1 of the syllabus. Today we are going to discuss chapter number 2, that is digital marketing planning and structure. In this chapter today we are going to discuss digital marketing planning, target groups, target group analysis, as well as we are going to understand content marketing, what content marketing is and how to do content marketing. Apart from that, we are going to discuss domain, what is domain, how we buy domain, how we register ourselves on www, that is World Wide Web. So that is what we are going to understand today. If you have any query and confusion, you may ask on the comment section, and I will try to answer those questions. So let's start. Digital marketing planning and structure. So first we will understand creating initial digital marketing planning. In this, we have to understand who are our target audience, to whom we are going to target, and according to that, we make plan. Like there may be different factors. On that basis, we may decide a target group. So here we can understand what target group is. Simply, target group is a group of people separated maybe based on demographics, maybe based on interest or consumer behavior, or based on their specific requirement for the product. So that is simply called target group. So that target group, particular group, is targeted by digital marketers by different methods, that is target group analysis and targeting to the particular group. For example, if group is based on demographic, they have different age and gender, that marketing will vary from the another group which is having a different age and different gender from them. So there will be different things. Normally, target group is divided on these four things: demographic, interest, consumer behavior, and product specific criteria. In demographic, we have age, gender, socioeconomic status, income, education, marital status, and profession. On that basis, that group is shaped, and we get a customer group. For example, gender is male, age is between 18 to 24, marital status is unmarried, and this is how we can create specific groups and we can target them. Then it could be based on interest, like what type of hobbies those people have. For example, if I am selling, I am doing a digital marketing for a company which is selling sports product. So my target will be people who are having interest in sport, who are having hobbies of sport. Then types of sports, preferred reading, music and movies, values, political tendencies, social involvement. These point may be covered in that. You can see over here that according to that interest, we target. Now, how we can get interest? That could be a question in your mind. So simply, if I analyze your Facebook profile, I get these details from there. If I analyze Instagram, I get your details. By your bio, I get various things. Then, if it is not mentioned in bio, I can understand your certain trend, your patterns, your liking pattern, what photos, what social media post you like. I can just analyze your Facebook profile and I can say you are inclined towards right wing political party or left wing political party just by seeing your likes and shares. Now, next is consumer behavior. So, how consumer they behave, how long is the purchasing process they take, which social networking they prefer, payment preferences, online, offline, cash on delivery, different payment methods are available, and which is the preference of customer. According to that, we can make a group. Then through which marketing channel they did arrive. Normally, people they are coming to a website by an advertisement. Maybe they are coming from a social media post. Maybe someone referred them and they directly search the website. So we have to identify. We can group those people accordingly. And product specific, product specific means they need these type of product, they need this type of service. There will be people who want exactly, for example, colleges, they have a complicated process of admission, examination. So software companies will separate them, that we cannot simply sell them a plain vanilla which is not suitable for them. So we have to craft a product for them, and these category could be kept differently. They can be treated differently. Now, what is content marketing? That is the next thing which we have to understand. So content marketing is simply making a relevant content to capture our target audience, repeatedly putting that content in front of them, bombarding that content in front of them, so that they can be connected, and that content should be relevant to them. For example, there is a person who loves traveling. So, a company who provide traveling services can continuously send posts, continuously send newsletters, continuously update blogs regarding different traveling destination. That Himalaya is this, these are the beauties of Himalaya, these are the small points which are not explored by people. This is the way they can grab attention of those people. If someone is having interest in traveling, automatically that person will read those posts, that person will watch those videos, can go through those emails related to that content. There will be no single direct marketing in those email or content that you purchase our service, but indirectly the name of the company, the brand of the company, that hits that person. So that is content marketing. Now, why it is important? See, it is important because it captures the customers. It captures customers' attention. They get connected to company. You cannot pull people by providing sales pitch to them. You can capture interest of people. You capture customers by giving them relevant content, by giving them information which they want, which they are interested in. That is what is called content marketing. Now, we also understand what are domains, www or World Wide Web. Simply, domain is a website address. Here you can see godaddy.com. That is a domain. Google.com, that is a domain. Here is another example. On here you can see bigrock.in, that is a domain. Domain.com, that is a domain. These are names of website. The address where a website is built, that is called domain. For that, I'll just give you example of simple thing, that domain is a address, that is an address which connects you to the computer where that website data is kept. So that is domain. Simply, it is made in a simple form, in a readable name, so that people can remember and access to it. For example, if I have to go to Google's database, I just write on internet google.com and I can reach to Google. So that is what is called domain. Now, how domain how can we purchase the domain? So simply, there are a number of websites. One of them is godaddy.com. There's bigrock.com. You just go over there and you search whether your domain is available. For example, I want a domain for our college, Abeda Inamdar College. Abeda Inamdar College. If I try to search this domain, here it will show this result, that whether this domain is available or not. Because this domain is single in the world, no, it will only sold to one person at a time. So right now it is showing that abedainamdar.com is available. Now if I see Abeda Inamdar Senior College, I write down senior, Abeda Inamdar Senior College, and let's see what comes. Okay, that is also available. So it is available because our college is following a .org panel, and these are available domains right now. .org is not available over here. So this is what is called domain, and these are the rates of domain. .com is the costliest domain, and apart from that, whatever domain .org, .biz, .co, .in, these are little cheaper than .com. So that is what is called domain.
So I believe all the concepts discussed today are clear to you. If you have any query or confusion, you can post in the comment section. As well as for your reference, previous videos links are posted in the description of the same video. In our next video, we are going to discuss very important concept, that is search engine optimization. So I request all of you to ensure that you are not missing the next lecture. Search engine optimization, website designing, website analytics, and website page designing, all these concepts will be discussed in next lecture. So have a nice day and see you in the next lecture.